Hello everyone, and welcome to Next Vault. Today, we'll explore a powerful investment tool that's often underestimated by beginners. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds are one of the simplest, most effective, and most accessible ways to invest in the stock market in 2020. You'll soon understand why so many investors love them. Let's dive in. What is an ETF? An ET, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund traded on the stock exchange. It acts like a basket of stocks or assets. Instead of buying shares in a single company, you purchase a share of this basket, which can include hundreds of different stocks. For example, an ETF tracking the S&P 500 will automatically reflect the performance of the 500 largest US companies, all with a single purchase. Why are ETFs so popular? ETFs offer several major benefits, making them highly popular, especially among beginners or long-term investors. Instant diversification. With just one ETF, you gain exposure to dozens or even hundreds of companies. Low fees. Unlike traditional investment funds, ETFs are passively managed, resulting in annual management fees that are often less than 0.3%. Liquidity. ETFs can be bought or sold anytime during stock exchange hours, just like individual stocks. Accessibility. Some ETFs are available for just a few euros, making them ideal for starting with small amounts. How do ETFs work? An ETF tracks an index, meaning it mirrors the performance of a specific stock market index. For example, S&P 500 ETF tracks the 500 largest US companies. NASDAQ 100 ETF tracks the 100 biggest technology companies. MSCI World ETF invests in thousands of companies worldwide. The fund adjusts automatically as companies in the index change. You don't need to handpick individual stocks. The process is completely automated. How to buy an ETF in 2025. Buying an ETF in 2025 has never been easier. Here's how to do it. Open an account. Sign up on an investment platform like Trade Republic, DGiro, or Boursorama. Select the right ETF. Choose one that matches your goals, whether it's long-term growth, technology focus, or global exposure. Enter the investment amount. Some platforms allow you to invest as little as $1 in fractional ETFs. Click and buy. You're now exposed to an entire market with just one click. What's the best strategy for ETFs? ETFs are ideal for a long-term investment strategy. Here are a few approaches. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a small amount regularly, such as monthly, to smooth out market fluctuations. Dividend ETFs. Opt for ETFs that pay regular dividends if you're looking for passive income. Diversification. Combine several ETFs, such as global, emerging markets, or technology-focused ones. Most importantly, don't try to predict the market. ETFs are designed to accumulate value over time. Risks to consider. Like any investment, ETFs are not risk-free. Their value can decline during a global market downturn. While less risky than buying individual stocks, ETFs remain sensitive to economic crises. The key is to maintain a long-term perspective. By investing regularly and patiently, ETFs can become a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. Conclusion: now you know what an ETF is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful investment tool for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Next Vault, and share your questions or experiences in the comments. See you soon for another video about achieving financial freedom.